Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate Smart Parking app. So this is the intro page of the app, which is shown when the user installs the app for the first time on his device. After clicking on skip, got it, it won't show it next time. So we'll sign up for a user, which is first name, comma last name, and then contact number should be 10 digits. Email address should be valid, and then a password. And for a normal type, first sign up. So we have to first verify the email. Click the link and you can open it within the app or within Chrome. Now as our account is verified, we can sign in. Then we have to grant permissions for location, and then in the map section we can view the parking areas. Currently there is one, and if we go too far, then we can click on get location and get the current location. Then nearby, to book it directly, we can click on the book button and grant permissions, and we can view the entire details of available, occupied, and the rate of per of two-wheelers, three-wheelers, four-wheelers per hour. Here we can see the booking history, and in the nearby we can also search for a particular area. In the scan we can add number plates. We can either add it while by typing, and select the vehicle type, or second is we are a number plate scanner. And click on save, and then it will generate the vehicle number from the image, and then click on add. Then in the profile we can edit our details, and update it. We can also change the UPI details if needed. Then we can change the password. And click on update, and this is the about section of the app. and then we can log out and sign up for a owner. And sign up for an owner type account. So we have to verify the email. Then you can type the area name, the number of slots, and most necessary is to select the location. We can type the slot numbers, or we can load them from a text file, separated with numbers, slot 1, slot 2, slot 3. Oops. So we are going to enter the UPI details, and the UPI name, and the amount for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler. Now since the number of slots is greater than the slot name, it will throw an error. Similarly, if the slot number of slots is less than the slot names, then also it will throw an error to update it. So we'll keep as 3, which is equal, and click on save. So here we can see the slot numbers and the vehicle number registered with it. Currently it's none. Then we can click on status and view the history. Then we can add a user to the parking area via email ID. So let's add a user. So after typing the user, it will load its vehicle names. And if we type some other user, then it will load the vehicle number which is registered with the user. Then we can select the timing, and time should be greater than 15, else it will throw an error that it should be greater than 15. And click on submit. So in the dashboard we can see slot number 1 is occupied, and here is the details. As the user paid with cash to the owner, and owner can add in since the user is paid. So this is the invoice file. The app name, the area name, invoice number, time, date, name, email ID, phone number, slot number, and then the plate number, wheeler type, start time and end time, the total cost, and paid as yes or no. We can also share this share file with WhatsApp or email or save to drive. And the profile page is same as the profile page for a normal user. So now when we log into in the booking history, you can see that the admin has added us the same over here, the same details. User will also get a notification for confirm your booking right here. Once you click on mark as read, it will not show again. Now we'll register another user here. We'll proceed to the payment. So once we are done with the payment, we can check in the booking history that we have registered over here for another area at DMS 100 and paid for it too. So here we can see that the exit date and checkout date and time are same. So once we click on checkout, that the checkout timing will be replaced with the checkout date and time. So once we check out, the time is replaced to a year with that current time when we check out, but the exit date and time will remain the same. Now for the map section, user can click on the location and click on the area name and book it from here too. Now if someone changes the email ID, so as we can see that we can't access our account now as someone has taken access of a Gmail of our account by changing the Gmail ID. So we can't log in. So mail is given to the user whose email ID has been changed. So user can recover his account back. Account recovered. Then if needed, we can reset the password too from here. So the reset password link, we can reset the password within the app. So now we can change the password. So password has been changed successfully. We can reset the password from the forgot password page too. We have the same process. So here we can see that we have gained access of our account. So let's sign in. So in our booking history, the checkout time should be at 15:18. So as we didn't check out, so a notification is given 5 minutes earlier to check out your booking. So user can click on it and open that, and it will open the same page where we can check out. Now in the widget section for owner, user can click on the dashboard and open the dashboard page, or user can click on the history. I'm sorry, for the owner, user can open the maps. User can also open the nearby places and search for a place. User can click on history and view the history too. Now here user can click on mark as read also, so that it doesn't show again. In the profile section, then we'll log out and sign in from the admin. Once we sign in, we can view the details over. So by 3:18, a notification will be generated that a user has exceeded time. Then we'll see the widgets for owner. So when you click on dashboard, it will open the dashboard. When you click on history, it will show the history. Now if the user is not an owner, so if you click on the normal widgets, it will still show the dashboard only. It will still show the dashboard since the user is not an owner, and if we are using the normal user widgets. So for owner, it's necessary to use only owner widgets, and for normal user, only normal user widgets. So in the history, by 3:18, alarm shall be generated, notification. Yeah, so it's 3:18, and notification has been generated that a user has exceeded time limit, and the owner can click on it and view the details. Like this is the current user. and now your user can check him out, or keeping keep him in waiting for to pay extra money for exceeding the checkout time. So if we check out at 319, so the checkout, so the user also will be alerted later about this. So the exit date and time is 318 and the checkout date and time is 319. So the user also will know later that this user has exceeded the time limit. And this is so much for app. And when we check out that user, the swap number has become none right here.